Okay, this is your review for your test. Okay, this is for test 4B. This is the one that is all related to our food. This is our food unit, and this is where you guys learned prendre and boire, and you learned partitives. You also learned IR verbs. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. First of all, you're going to need to know vocabulary, obviously. Okay, so you're in the first section, you're going to have to find the one that doesn't go with the others, okay? So it'll say trouver le mot qui ne va pas avec les autres. There will be 4 vocabulary words, and you'll just choose the one that doesn't go with the other ones. So there's not much I can give you guys there, and make sure you know your vocabulary. Also, you're going to need to know some expressions of quantity, and I'm going to move this up. The specific ones you need to know are un morceau de, un verre de, et une tasse de. All right, moving on. There are going to be there's going to be one question on culture. Okay. So I'm gonna put down here. Actually, I'm gonna go over here next to this guy. And so for the culture, you need to know about the first cafe in France, okay? And then you're also going to need to know 2 famous people who did something, okay? I'm going to be vague here. You guys need to look back at your culture page and look up what were the 2 famous people, what did they do, what was going on, who were they, specifically who were they, okay? And then moving down, the next part is going to be on your verbs, okay? Apprendre, prendre, and comprendre. So make sure that you know how to conjugate them. And make sure that you know their meaning, okay, because that's really going to be key in this section. Sorry. That bright yellow highlighter is really not coming out very well. All right. Then the next section is going to be on partitives. Okay. So we have du and de la, and we have de, and we have de à l'apostrophe. Oops. Okay, and you're going to need to complete the phrase with the correct partitive, which means you're going to need to know, is my noun coming after it masculine, feminine, plural, or does it start with a vowel? So an example would be blank jambon. Okay, well you need to know, I'm sorry, I need to move this up. Is jambon Masculine, feminine? Does it start with a vowel? Is it plural? Okay. You need to know so that you can correctly put in the right partitive, all right? And the last section, over here, is going to be all on IR verbs. Okay? You have to know how to conjugate your IR verbs. It's another key verb. As long as you know your conjugations, you should be fine, right? IS, IS, IT, IS, SO, NS, IS, SE, EZ, IS, SE, NT. So it'll be something simple like je. Finir will be in the blank, and you give me the correct ending, and we know from the song I just sang that it's going to be IS. I'm going to take off IR, and I'm going to put IS. All right? Please, please, please study hard and be ready. Your test will be Friday. Merci beaucoup.